What up? What's up, family? How you guys doing? Just want to check in on you guys. We're gonna get started here in about less than a minute. So, I'll wait to see you guys hop on. I'm gonna get the timer going.
Are you live in our group?
I believe I'm live in our group. This is live in our group, right? All right.
There it is.
There we go. All right. What's up, Vanessa? What's up, Crystal? Yeah, Crystal's ready. Iris, what's up? I'm sorry, I can't gauge myself to see how close I am or not.
You're super close.
Am I super close?
Yeah.
If you guys can still just see a big giant thing in my face, I apologize. What's up, Vanessa? Sore, but still here. That's right. All right. What's up, Tara? All right. Yes, here we go, Iris. Mace Face, where you at?
I didn't see him over there. Where is he?
Good morning, Tara.
Mason.
Yeah, what's up, Maria? Yeah, I'm assuming Mark's with you too.
Dad's been telling you.
Trying to get the rest of the family in here. Mason over here wasting time.
We're scared.
What's up, Dina? What's up, Brian? It's okay to be a little bit scared. Nothing wrong with that. All right. All right, let's make this happen. Come on. Let's start warming up. It is time.
Stop
It is
screaming.
11:30. We're going to start out with some crawls. Crawls for your warm-ups. All right, good wide feet. We're going to squat down to the floor. We're going to walk ourselves all the way out to that plank. And we're going to push ourselves back and reach nice and tall. And right back down we go. All right. So we're going to work through a 30-second work, 10-second rest tornado. We've got 6 exercises that we're going to work through. And we're going to work through those 6 exercises 6 times. All right. So we're going to go through that list. There's not a whole lot of rest. You take the rest wherever you need it. So don't feel like you got to try and keep up. Take the breaks where you need it, but really challenge yourself where you can. It's going to be a full body work day, and I'm going to go through the exercises here in just a few minutes. Everybody's crawling it out. I'm going to see who else jumped on. Carolyn, what's up? Sean, what's going on? All right. Yes. Okay. All right, so the 6 exercises. Exercise number 1, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing jump lunges. Jump lunge into a jump squat. Jump lunge into a jump squat. Of course, your modification is a lunge with a squat. All right, we're moving for your warm-ups to lunges. All right, we're going to get those muscles warmed up. Remember to sit back on those heels. All right, so that first exercise, jump lunge into a jump squat, jump lunge into a jump squat, or you can go lunge, squat, and begin. All right? Number 2 workout's going to be your 4-2 push-ups. So what does that mean? That means that we're going to do push-ups, and we're going to go 4 seconds down. We're going to hold for 2 seconds at the bottom and push up, explode up. 4 down, 2 holding at the bottom, and press up, all right? So, if you need to modify, you'll go to your knees. Remember, your butt stays down, right? We're not getting up here. Butt stays down. All right, seal jacks. Seal jacks, yeah. We don't need the sounds, Mason, thank you. All right, so your modified version is here on the knees. You're going to say things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And explode up. All right? All right. Then we're going to do sumo squat pulse. So sumo squat, remember, those are wider feet than normal. Your toes are going to point out a little bit. And then we're going to get down nice and low. Hands on our head. Lowering through the heels. I really want you to focus on your heels. And we're going to go here, and we're just going to pulse it out for those 30 seconds. It's going to be great. All right, exercise number 4. We've got burpees to 4 mountain climbers, all right? So I'm going to turn to the side for this. We're not going to throw the push-up in here because we're already doing push-ups. We're going to go down to the ground, kick our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop back, jump. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop and back up. All right? Squat to reach, please. Squat to reach. For your warm-ups, remember when you're squatting, you're pushing that butt back. Nice heavy heels. We shouldn't be on the balls of our feet, okay? Your modification for those burpees. Go in here, kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stepping forward. If you need to use a couch or a bench at home, you can put your hands on the couch or the bench, step back, do your mountain climbers, and step on back up. Okay? All right, then we're going to do crab toe touches. So crab toe touch, we're going to get our butts on the ground like this, and then we're going to lift. From here, we're going to touch and touch and touch. Now, for some of you, just holding this position may be a challenge, and that's okay. For some, you may just work on picking the feet up without the hands. Okay? As you get all right, butt kickers, butt kickers. There you go. So you can do like JJ's doing, or you can do like Liz is doing, keeping it low impact. For some of us, it may just be lifting our feet up off the ground. Okay? For those crab toe touches. So do what you can, what you're capable of. Last but not least, we got our plank with a leg raise. So we get into a plank position. This will be kind of like a resting round. And we're going to lift those legs up. It's still going to be a challenge. Legs straight, strengthening those glutes, squeezing those glutes as we come up. If you're still working on your plank, just hold a plank for 30 seconds. Nothing wrong with that. And of course, you always have that modified plank where you can go down to the knees, all right? But notice that back stays flat. I'm not putting my butt up in the air, all right? Those are your 6 exercises that we're going to work through 6 times. You guys ready?
Yep.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Mace? Yes. Are you guys ready at home? That's the question. And I know you guys are. All right. Let's get ready.
Right, Crystal?
Crystal's excited.
She said JJ's face on those 4 to 2 push-ups, laugh out loud. All day, every day, that's her.
All right. Here we go, team. Let's make it happen. 6 rounds of everything. We're going to get started here in 10 seconds, starting with those jump lunges and those jump squats. Here we go. And go. Good rhythm. Remember, form over everything. There we go. All right. Right into that next one. Remember, if you need to modify, it's a step, and a step, and a squat. Step, step, and a squat. All right? All right, there we go. 4-2 push-ups. Let's go to the ground. Here we go. Starting in 5. I'm going to turn to the side for you guys. Here we go. Down for 4, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2, and push. Modify if you need to. 2, 3, 4. Controlling that movement is so important. 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. And explode up. It changes things when you just can't rep out a push-up, right? And you gotta control your movement. And up. All right. Squat pulse. Sumo squat pulse. Wide feet. And here we go. Yes. Remember, it's not my upper body moving, right? I'm not bobbing my head like this, right? My chest stays up. I'm feeling my legs move. We're halfway through. Good job. Keep breathing through your work. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Oh, we're going to appreciate these tomorrow. I can already feel it. All right, there we go. All right, burpees to mountain climbers. All right, I'm going to turn to the side again for you guys. Here we go. Hands down. Feet back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back up you go. And stepping if you have to. 3, 4. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, 8 seconds to go. Last one. All right, just in time. All right, crab toe touches. Here we go. On our butts, feet on the ground. Here we go. And up and touch. And up and touch. There we go. Yes. That core's got to work to really stabilize. Keep breathing. Yes. Up and touch. There you go, mates. Good job. Good job, JJ. Good job, Liz. 5 seconds to go. We're almost there. All right. Plank leg raise. So here we go. I'm going to turn to the side again. Straight leg. Squeeze for a second at the top. There we go. Good work. All right. Almost halfway there. Good job. It's a challenge. It should be. Just work on the next exercise. Last one. All right. Back to those jump lunges. Woo! One down. All right, there we go. Here we go. Just keep your body moving. Yep, it's starting. We're 10 seconds in already. Yes. Good work, good work. Yes. 5 seconds. All right, there we go. 4-2 push-ups. All right, starting in 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and explode. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and explode. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and explode. There you go. 3, 4. 1, 2, and explode. Last 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and explode. All right. Next exercise, sumo squat pulse. Back to those legs. Here we go. 2, 1, and go. There we go. Keep breathing. Keep working. Yes. Yes, last 10 seconds coming up. Last 10 seconds, come on. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all right. Burpees and mountain climbers. Here we go. 2, 1, and boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down. Yes, 1, 2, 4, and up. Yes, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down. Make sure those feet stay wide. 2, 3, 4. When you hop yourself back, right? We don't want to hop our feet back together. We want to hop them outside those feet. Right there.
What's the transition?
Just step it. Step it back. Crab toe touch. Here we go. And go. There we go. Good. And just remember, we're just trying to keep our body moving, right? If you gotta take those breaks, you take those breaks. If you just gotta hold this position, just hold this position, all right? Come up where you can. If you find yourself, you're just moving your legs, just move your legs. That's good. 7 seconds to go. We're almost there, team. 3, 2, 1. Last one. All right. There we go. Plank to leg raise. Last of the second round right here. And squeeze. And squeeze. There we go. Hold for a second or two. Yes. Good job. We got it. Just raising that leg up. Keeping that core tight, nice and strong. 7 seconds to go. And 3, 2, 1. All right. Back to those jump lunges. Round number 3. Here we go. Here we go. 2, squat. Yes. Good. Keep working, team. Woo. There we go. 15 seconds in. 15 seconds to go. And if you find that the lunges are bothering you, just keep squatting. All right. 4 2 push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, explode. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and drive. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. When you explode, different muscles get recruited. 3, 4. 1, 2, and drive. Good. All right, burpee, sumo squat pulse. Good wide feet. Take that big deep breath. And good. That butt stays down. And if you need to just take squats and go the full range of motion, that's okay too, right? We're just trying to keep those bodies moving. There we go, we're halfway through. Yes. Earning all this. 5 seconds to go. And 3, 2, 1. All right. Burpees to mountain climbers. How you guys feeling? Feeling good?
Yeah.
Feeling good? Yes. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. There we go. Good. 1, 2, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Almost there. Yes. I'm just going to do a last one. All right. There we go. All right, crunch the toe touches. We're back to the bottom again. All right. And up and touch. And up and touch. And really try to drive up. Ah, yeah. Good. 15 seconds to go. And for some, this would be hard on your shoulders because you don't quite have the mobility yet. And that's okay, like I said, just work on holding this position because we do want that shoulder mobility. All right, back up to the top. Oh, I'm sorry, plank leg raises, I'm a liar. Here we go. Squeeze. Squeeze, keep breathing. Butt down, makes nice flat body. Not that flat. Squeeze and get that leg up. Really challenge that squeeze. 10 seconds to go. You guys are doing awesome. Just keep moving. 3 seconds. All right, back to the top. We're halfway through our workout. Halfway. Just stay focused. Most important part. Here we go. Yes. Do what other people won't do. You'll have what other people won't have. Right? Get that health, get that fitness. Take it on your own. Take it by force. 10 seconds. Last one, 2, 1, all right. All right, 4 2 push-ups. There we go, JJ. Come on, baby. 1, 2, 4, and dry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and dry. And if you're just doing regular, oh yeah, hold for 2. If you're doing regular, then just do regular push-ups if that's still what you're working on. 2, all right, we got time for one more. 3, 4, 1, 2, and drive, all right. Good work. Sumo squat pulses, exactly what the doctor ordered. 5 seconds. Wide feet, toes out. There we go. What the doctor ordered, Mason. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I believe the same thing about squats. All right. Last 10 seconds. Explain what? That's an old saying back in the day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Squat a day. Well, maybe like 10 squats a day. Maybe keep the doctor away. All right, burpees. Burpees to mountain climbers. Here we go. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 3, 4. Yes. Keep that same pace. You hear me say yes a lot. That's my positive affirmation to myself. It's one of my most favorite words. Sometimes I use it too often. All right. There we go. Crab toe touches. Ooh, sweat my eyes. Here we go. Up, and up, and up, and up. There you go. Just keep going. Next one. Next one. Here you go. 7 seconds, 17 seconds to go. Keep pushing. Come on. Challenge yourself. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. 5 seconds to go. Come on. Keep working. Last one. All right. Plank with the leg raise. Finishing up our 4th set. Woo. Feels so good to be challenged every day. Feel those abs locked in. 10 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. All right. Last 2.
What?
Last 2 of everything. Let's go. Come on, team. Come on. And go. There you go. 15 seconds in. Keep fighting through. Fight through the burn. Fight through the pain. All right. 4 2 push-ups. 4 2 push-ups. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, and explode.
And explode.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and explode. All right. Controlling that body to explode. Keep going. 1, 2, and drive. All right. 2, 1. All right. Sumos. Sumo squat pulse. Come on. Get it. It's good to struggle. We want that struggle. That's what's going to make us feel accomplished at the end when we get through it all. Nice big deep breaths. You got 10 seconds to go. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Burpees. Burpees. Little tie your shoelace trick, huh? All right, here we go.
I had to do that.
1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Here we go. 1, 2, 4, and up. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Yes. Keep it up. 10 seconds. Last one. And 2, 1. All right, crab toe touches. All right, we're getting down to our last couple of the second to the last rest. Here we go, up. Yep, gotta breathe. Halfway there. Come on, halfway there. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Plank. Last of this 5th round. Woo! Hand up. Oh, yeah. That's right. Time flies when you're having fun.
I'm running.
All right, 10 seconds. 10-second mark. Squeeze. And 3, 2, 1. All right, final round. Final one of everything. Here we go. Here we go. Jump lunge with the squats. Last one of these. "15 seconds and come on. Come on, fight through. We're almost done. Workout's almost done. 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. 4-2 push-ups. Last round of those 4-2 push-ups. All right. 3, 4, 1, 2, explode. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, and explode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and drive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and drive. Last one. 3, 4, 1, 2, and drive. All right, good job. All right, sumos. Let's go. Yes. 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 15 seconds. Come on. Keep breathing. And coming up on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. All right. Last 3 exercises. You got a minute and a half left in your workout. Here we go, burpees. And back. 1, 2, 3, forward up. 2, 3, forward. Here we go. Come on. Drive, yes. More than halfway through. Come on. Yes, last one. There you go, all right. Crab toe touch, 2 exercises. 1 minute left in your workout. Come on, fight through to the end. All right. There we go. Yes, 15 seconds in. 10 seconds to go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Last 30 seconds. Come on. Give me strong planks. And up. Yes. 10 seconds in. Come on, team. Keep fighting. Take it. Last 10. Last 10 coming up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Good job. Great work. High five. Yes. High five. Yes. High five. Yes. High five, Mace Face.
How are you doing?
Great work, team. Good job.
Stop touching my phone, Mason.
I see you,
I'm
Christina.
not touching your phone.
I see you, Melissa. Good job. Natasha, hi. Jen, what's up? Yas, you're in it. Amelia, you seeing what you're getting yourself into? All right. Lysandra, what's up? There you go, Ellen. Jessica Vogel, I see you. Shwetha, what's up? I'm assuming Hari's with you, hopefully. Frederic. Rosaline, you and Thad later. Ann Young, what's up? Lily Alvarez, 2 days in a row, I see you. Jackie, yes, you're going to watch and kill it later. Yes, get everything in your mind and ready to work. What's up, Karen? Carolyn likes the plank leg raises. I like that. All right. Yes, Crystal, JJ's face is on the floor for those 4-2 push-ups. All right. All right. What up, brother Mark? All right. Great job, everybody. Proud of you guys for showing up. Good job, Dina. Oh, yeah.
I think Coach James killed my coworker. I don't think she's coming back home with me.
That's all right. That's what she normally looks like, you guys. She's still alive. I checked that she was breathing, so don't worry. All right, team. Good job. Thank you so much for showing up today. Remember to check in on your own Facebook page. Check into Rancho Cordova Fit Body Bootcamp, hashtag FBB Strong. Tag me in it. Tag Liz in it. Also, hashtag FBBC Gives Water. Let's make it happen.
Make sure your posts are public.
Yes.
So headquarters could keep a tally on those hashtags.
And share these 28 days for $28. If you see it on our page, you'll see it on there. Just share it with your friends and family. It's a killer deal for them. They get to stay in shape with you. They'll work out with you. And they'll appreciate you for it. All right. I don't think I've got anything else. Oh, last but not least, a lot of negative news out there today. But be sure that today, at some point in every day, you do something that makes you happy. All right? That's something that Liz posted about earlier, and I love it. Do something that makes you happy. All right? Whatever that may be. Liz is going to make some banana bread later today because that's what makes her happy. She loves bacon. All right? So do something that makes you happy. Make sure you get your workouts in. Drink your water. feed your body well. Make sure you get your sleep tonight, all right? We love you all. Take care of yourselves. Mwah.
Bye, guys. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.